In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or subtract time in Google Sheets without functions. Let's get started inside your spreadsheet. Make sure you already have two time values on the same row, for example in C2 and D2. These can be times like 2:15 or durations like 1:30. Google Sheets understands time and stores it as a fraction of a day, so when you add or subtract, you're really combining those time values directly. No special functions needed. Click the cell where you want the sum of those times to appear. Begin by typing the equal sign. That tells Sheets you're starting a formula. Now click the first time cell, C2, to reference it. Type the plus sign to indicate addition, then click the second time cell, D2. Press enter to confirm. You'll see the result immediately. If C2 is 145 and D2 is 030, the result will show as 2:15 when the cell is formatted as time. This is the simplest way to add two time values together. Just equals, a reference, a plus, another reference, and enter. Next, let's subtract one time from another. Click a different empty cell where you want the difference to appear. Type the equals sign again. Click C2, type the minus sign, and then click D2. Press enter. Now you've got the time difference between those two entries. This works well for things like calculating elapsed time or finding how much time remains. A couple of quick tips to keep your results clean. First, ensure your time cells are recognized as time and not plain text. If you ever see a decimal like 0.5 instead of a time, that's the fraction of a day. 0.5 equals 12 hours. Applying a time format will display it as hours and minutes. If your durations can go beyond 24 hours, consider a duration-friendly format so long totals don't roll over at midnight. And if you ever see hashes instead of a value after subtracting, it usually means the result is a negative time that the default format can't display. Converting your entries to durations rather than date times or adjusting the number format will help. That's really all there is to it. By referencing your time cells and using the plus or minus sign, you can quickly add and subtract time without any built-in functions. It's fast, transparent, and easy to audit later. Try it with your own data, keep an eye on formatting, and you'll be set for schedules, timesheets, or any time tracking work.